Hi everyone, so today we are going to try to test this DIY. So I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube about this. You are going to turn something old, something ugly vase, like glass vase or any just basic vase, into something with ceramic effect. We are going to test it today, so we'll see if it's gonna be a success. I have the vases already there, ready. And I have prepared baking soda and some leftover paint. So I'm gonna try to do the 1:1, so we'll see. I have two vases that we are going to do today, and I have a lamp. My two vases, they're kind of dark brown and very dark and dirty looking, old looking vases. I have a blue lamp there that I don't like the color. We just bought the house and we are trying to modernize it a little bit. We are going to start our video. I'm gonna try to use this painter's tape. Kinda sticky. Oh, looks nice. One. So I think that's clean enough. So we'll start. I'm excited for this. Good thing that I still have, so the paint is still sticky. So that is the finished product.